Hello mga kawanyets and guys. Welcome to Jay's TV. Ayun guys.
Hindi ko lang kasi number yan.
Ang layo mo pati, nagtatakip ka rin ng iyong mukha. Hi Ate Shine. Kaganda ni Ate Shine, oh. Ate Shine. Bakit ka ba nakatalikod? Ayan guys. Maraw na, kanina naambon.
Pantalon.
Ate Obe.